Hi, welcome back to the BN Kitchen. I'm Jackie Lewis, clinical nutritionist for BN Multi. As the weather starts to cool, our bodies crave warm, nourishing meals. Here's an easy way to accomplish that with our handy quiche recipe. What's nice about this recipe is that you can add whatever veggies you have on hand or the ones that you enjoy. This quiche is fantastic for the soft food stage. It packs plenty of protein and lots of nutrition. Each batch of mini quiches can last for several breakfasts, lunches or dinners. It's super easy to make even if you're not the most confident cook. Changing your eating habits can change your overall health. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. You can find many more recipes at bnmulti.com and join the BN Bariatric Facebook group for a wide range of topics related to your weight loss surgery journey.